New 2023 Ducati Diavel V4 coming. The spy photo shows us the new Ducati Diavel V4 2023, the retiring 1260 DVT Testastretta engine, replaced by a more powerful V4. In particular is the exhaust system, which is marked with a 4-port terminal. The chassis is also completely new. A new Ducati Diavel V4 2023 could be in the works. To tell a spy photo of the engine, the 1260 DVT Testastretta is retired and replaced by a more powerful V4. Probably the V4 Gran Turismo engine, without the desmodromic valve control system, which drives the Multistrada V4. The 1158cc 4-cylinder V engine embedded in the Multi is capable of producing a maximum power of 170 HP at 10,500 revolutions per minute, and with a peak torque of 125 Nm at 8,750 revolutions per minute. Official data regarding the new Ducati Diavel V4 engine, of course, has not yet been released. The exhaust system is very special, marked with a 4-port terminal on the right side. The chassis, completely new, is made of aluminum. From the photo it appears that only the rear subframe and the subframe connected to the swing arm will remain steel. In the latter there is a new single-sided swing arm, which does not resemble any Diavel swing arm. The color TFT screen is placed in the center of the handlebar. Large 240 rear tires. There is currently no indication regarding the presentation date of this new model. Perhaps the new Ducati Diavel V4 will be one of the 7 novelties of 2023 to expect with the world premiere.